Hello mga ka-trip. Ngayon nandito tayo sa city center at mamimili tayo ng grocery. Here Tashi. With Tashi. Where? Yeah. Now we are break. That's why we have time to shopping, to grocery. After break, maybe that 20 minutes we need to finish. Listen, maraming perfume dito. Adidas. $1 dinar, 200. Axe. Maraming axe din dito. At makaharap din tayo ng mga sale. Yardley. Ayan, Gillette Blue Plus for plus 10 plus 4 free. 10 plus 6. Ayan mga ka-trip, dati siyang $1 dinar 850. Yan. Ngayon is 1 KD. Yan, hanap pa tayo dito. Bili na tayo ng razor. And walang nahanap si Tashi na ano. Hello ma'am. Ayos lang. Bati ka naman. Hello sa Pinas. Bigla na yan. 550 pesos. Mayroon kayong lock and lock? Hanap din tayo dito ng lock and lock. At least may kabayan dito. Mag-a-assist sa atin. Ang lock and lock talaga mahal pa rin, no? Wala kayong sale na lock and lock? Nabaunan? Ito mga ka-trip, 900 pills isa. Tapos ito, 875 pills. Ito malaki na tong container na to, no? Lock and lock din. Pero maganda to. 800 to? 875, malaki na rin yung container na to. Ayan.
1 KD for 85.
Ah, ito malaki. Ito yon 1.3. Pero okay na ito. Maganda rin to. Is 875 pills. Sana mag-sale. Minsan kasi nagsisale yan sila eh. No? Yan. Thank you, kabayan. Oh, what that one? You buy? How much that one? Nakabili si Tashi ng wooden motor. Wooden motor? Motor or mortar? Mortar. Wooden mortar.
Yeah. This one we use for grinding.
$1 dinar 100 or for the chili, right?
Yeah.
Because
the onion and
garlic.
Yeah.
Because they are they love chili.
Yeah, we love chili.
Yeah, okay. Yan, dito naman mga ka-trip yung sugar nila. Mas ano, $1 dinar 890. Wala pa silang sale. Kung minsan nagsisale ang sugar. Ayan, mahal eh. Mahal pa yung sugar nila. I think itong flour is 160 pills lang. Ito kagandahan dito, mura lang talaga yung ano, per kilo niya 160 pills. Sunod na ako bibili. Tapos ito yung mga spices. A lot of spices here. No, Tashi?
Yeah.
Cardamom. Yung mga cardamom para sa rice o mga ano. Onion powder. Saffron to become color na your rice, red chili powder, cardamom niya.
Good, yeah.
That for the tea rice is okay, that one.
Yeah.
And dried basil leaves.
If you want to add color to your food, like spicy related, you can
Paprika.
use this paprika powder, which is not spicy actually.
Yeah, paprika. Yeah, because they have also sweet paprika. 990 pills. Pero syempre kung may bottle ka na, mas maganda tong ganito, bilhin mo. Yan. Even pistachio. But ang pistachio is expensive. Maabot ng 2 dinar 750. Isa. Ito yung rice. Ito kasi yung mga basmati rice. Pero hindi yan sila masyado ano sa basmati. They are not basmati for the Indian.
So I take this one. Okay.
But become expensive na that one, huh?
No, the
But
quality went
10
down.
kilo
Yeah, it is 10 kilo.
is 4 dinar 800.
Before it was nice. Now the color inside is little black and the
Real-
taste, yeah,
Not good now.
yeah, now.
Mm.
But it may differ 2% per person.
This one?
Before I was taking this one,
But now?
and now I take different one.
But still, this one, silver's one?
Yeah. Now I take this one.
Yeah, as also.
Now I take this one.
Yeah. This one is for... No, 5 kilo is 2 dinar 800. 2 dinar... 2 dinar 850 pills.
Time for
Yeah, noodles.
New Year morning.
That's good.
We will
Pasta.
make, not really a pasta, but goodness porridge.
Yeah.
With soup.
Yeah, put soup. Mura lang dito mga macaroni. 165 pills. Bali isang ganito. But even in Philippines, this one's not too much expensive. But it's good, we can buy here. Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Bati naman kayo, ma'am. Bati po kayo. Mahihain yung mga sa city center. Sige po. Happy New Year, ma'am. Ayan mga katrip, pupunta naman kami sa gulayan. Prutas at gulayan. Ayan. Indian white grapes is 1 dinar 895 pills. May kamahalan siya. Pero mayroon din dito mga mas mura din. Ayan. Pagdating kasi sa gulay, mas mura yung Nesto. I'm talking about the vegetable. I think much better Nesto. Yeah. Chili. 595 pills. Isang ganyan na siya.
The one you dislike. Yes.
Okay. Put it. And potato. Radish. You eat this one? So this one malunggay. So nice. Broccoli. Mahilig sila dyan, broccoli. Mahal nga lang. Broccoli naman dito is 1 dinar 795 pills for 1 kilo. This one more expensive, this one. Spanish broccoli. Okay. Kuwaiti broccoli. Small. But it's okay. It's same.
Yeah.
You slice also that one. You're not eat big whole.
To make
Kilo. Ano pa yan, Tashi? Lettuce.
I make this curry. I make this curry.
Yeah, give that.
This one, I think they have price.
They have price already. 1 KD. 995 pills. Here. Give your broccoli. How are you, bro?
Yes.
Yan. Chili. 595 pills isang kilo.
Yeah, it's pretty spicy.
But this one is in Philippines it's not expensive, this one. But here 1 dinar 395 pills per kilo.
This one we
What this one? Sayote and papaya.
say it's better.
Expensive here. This one 1 dinar parehas din siya, 1 dinar 395 pills. Ano to? Malunggay. Bunga ng malunggay. This is guava. 1 dinar 395 pills din per kilo. You know that one?
Because it harvested in my home also.
Ah, okay. This one, cherry tomato.
This one?
For salad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They use in cooking.
Yeah. But this one cherry expensive. Much better the big one.
Yeah, but I like this one.
Ah, okay.
My taste. My taste should be good.
Yeah, cherry is expensive than the bigger one.
Now we enjoy the
This one, come here. Pinoy food. Yan. Makakatrip dito sa city center. Mayroon din Pinoy special. Yan. Yan. Siyempre, mayroon siyang breadcrumbs. Ay, mga tinda. Hindi mawawala. Dilis. This one. Dry shrimp. Udong. This one also Chinese noodles. This is one nice. Yeah. This one is good. Try this one. We put in the sardines. Cook. Yan. Ding dong. Yan. Tapos ito yung mga sauce. Pinoy special. Chinchari tuna. Value pack, 1 dinar 720 pills. 5.5 tuna, 340 pills. Yan. Yan yung mga presyo. Ano to? Macho soup. Yan. Tapos dito ka rin makakabili ng mga pinapaitan mix. Ayan. Sinigang, kaldereta. Ayan. Tapos meron din sinigang sa sampalok mix. Kaldereta mix. Pinapaitan mix. And mga malalaking sardines. Ayan, 555 sardines. Mother's Best. Pinigar, toyo. Yan. Siyempre, meron din mga bagoong all-purpose sauce. Sarsa. Ito yung mga chichirya. Ayan. Nachos. Ding dong. Ding dong is famous in Philippines with the nuts and corn. Tapos yung mga cheese, mga palaman. Munggos, beans, jackfruit. And mga katrip, meron din pala silang miswa dito. Yan. Manila brand, Chinese. Yan. Let's go. Ito yung mga Pilipino. Tapos meron din silang makapuno. Okay. And pupunta namin yung cheese kasi yung luto nila kadalasan may mga cheese. Dito tayo sa dairy dairy product.
one beef, okay?
Yan, mga marinated chicken na dito. 1 dinar 995 pills yung 1 kilo. May 5 dinar pa nga marinated chicken. Pero syempre kung nagtitipid ka, ikaw na mag-marinate mga katrip. Bakit kailangan pang bumili, di ba? Mabilis lang naman mag-marinate. Tapos ito mga lamb. Yan. Yung lamb din, mahal. Egyptian veal, boneless. Pakistani boneless veal. Oh, this one the first chicken. Ito mga katrip, ko nagtitipid ka, makakabili ka nito mga bones. Yeah, 385 pills lang. It's good. We put soup. Yeah. This one is nice. Chicken pit. Meron dito sa chicken center. 400 pills. But, mga ano, they are not eating. Before, they throwing that one, ha? Now, selling. Mas mahal ang fresh kaysa doon sa mga frozen items na chicken. Ito mga sausage. Oh, mahal. Green Hill Farm.
This one,
Green Hill Farm, you see? Umabot ng 3 KD.
how much is on the big one?
What?
This sausage.
I think 900 pills. 975 pills one.
Try this one.
The
Try and eat.
sausage.
Take this one.
Check the price first. If it's correct. Mga sausage. Americana hot dog beef. $1 $8.50. Expensive din to. Mas mahal. Meron din pala ditong Krispy Kreme. Oh. Yan. Magkano isa? So, walang price mga katrip. Siguro libre. So, walang price. Sa mga tinapayan naman tayo. You buy donuts? This one? $1 ba? Sweets. Go.
Yeah, but it give color too.
Mozzarella.
Sweet.
This one
chili.
sticky. Yeah.
Ah. Chili. I add this one and the other cheese.
You put that one? Mozzarella cheese.
It's,
Okay.
it's nice too. But this one I use.
Yan mga katrip, pag nag-ano kasi, pag nagluluto, mga botanis, ito nilalagyan nila ng
That
cheese.
one, the president one is also good actually.
You add,
Yeah, but this
how many cheese you put like that?
This one is also good, I mean to say.
You put.
Yeah.
How many cheese you add, for example?
2.
For the chili? 2 piece only. 2 slice.
But it's like, you know, for one person, 1 slice.
Okay.
And if there is 2 person,
2 slice.
yeah.
Okay.
Put in for 2 portion.
Per portion.
Yeah.
How about this one? You're not putting this one?
What is this? Maybe eating, but I don't know.
Cheese also.
Yeah.
Slow fat cheese. See?
I've never.
I think this one you put it. That kind of cheese.
Seems like it's good to fry with.
Feta
But,
cheese. This one is salted cheese.
Feta cheese, yeah.
Lab na.
They have tofu around.
Mga laban. No, nothing. Let's go. Laban, yung mga lab na. Ito, maganda kasi ito eh. This one. Organic. Tinaman yung mga organic. 950 pill isang ganito. Full fat milk. What's that?
Butter. But I think
Butter.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Pimples.
What?
It contributes for pimples.
It's butter. This one is good also, butter. This one. This kind of butter.
There we have like
What?
in our country we have this
Amol butter.
Amul brand.
Salted. Salted butter.
Yeah.
Yan sila nilalagyan, yung pagkain nila nilalagyan nila ng cheese. Para luminamnam. How about chicken?
No, I will buy beef tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Go full fat milk, it's good, no? This one. Full cream. Chocolate. Chocolate. No, it's okay. This one, carb.
It's not big like SUV. No.
Carb and go.
There is no poison.
Yeah. Yala, let's go. Mga ka-trip, go. Mga oil naman dito. Ito. Virgin oil. What this one? This one is ano? What do you call this one? Olive oil. What's that? Really? Almost the olive oil.
This one is not really olive oil.
Yan mga ka-trip, bayaran time. Good evening, ma'am. Say hi po. Hello.
Happy to see you.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys, in the Philippines.
Happy New Year mga ka-trip.
Ay, Happy New Year, mga ka-trip. Sina.
Bati mo na sa atin. Bati ka na sa atin.
Hello, guys, Philippines. Happy trip. Happy New Year. Wish you the best year.
Batiin nyo na yung mga magulang nyo doon.
Wala. Bakit ba nagbablog ka?
Ah?
Seryoso to?
Ah,
Akala ko joke.
Vlog to.
Ha?
Vlog to sa
Hello
YouTube.
Po. Hello po. Mother, sikat na ako dito.
Panoorin nyo.
Panoorin nyo yung YouTube kasi nandito ako. Pinakamaganda
Hindi,
dito.
paano yung kasi bigay ko sa YouTube channel.
Ay.
Trip TV Vlog.
Walang yak. Ay, wait lang. Hello, Mother. Happy New Year. Wish ko po yung the best na good health sa inyo. Tapos yung mga iba dyan sa
Saan ka sa atin, ma'am?
Sa Mindanao po.
Saan po sa Mindanao?
Misamis Oriental. Lang iba. Pinakamaganda dito sa Kuwait. Joke lang po. Ingat po kayo at enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Ano po pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Maria po.
Maria.
Walang ibang mabait na bata.
Okay. Bye. Again, what you said? Huh?
Excuse me. Bayad po, walang libre. Hello. $285 po.
Yan, si Kabayan, active na active.
Palagi ako active.
Panoorin mo to, ah.
Oo, bigyan mo ako. Part ng ano.
Thank you po, thank you. Panoorin mo, ah.
Pagandahin mo ako sarili.
Oh. Hindi, yung maganda, hindi na kailangan pagandahin pa.
Maganda na ako.
Oo nga eh.
Pinakamaganda dito.
walang Oh. Oh, yun lang. Yan mga ka-trip, tapos na kami mag-grocery. And uwian na. And syempre, dito na rin po nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para lagi po kayo updated. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye-bye!